Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Meenaakshi Todi, your image consultant from Lumify. I'm excited to guide you on a transformative journey, one that goes beyond the surface and delves into the power realm of manifesting your desired image using the law of attraction. Let's explore the profound connection between your inner energy and the image you project to the world. To begin, let's understand the law of attraction. This universal principle suggests that like attracts like, and the energy you give to the universe shapes your reality. When it comes to manifesting your desired image, it all starts with cultivating the right energy within yourself. Positive thoughts, intentions, and emotions become the magnets for the image you wish to project. Next, it's crucial to clarify your desired image. Take a moment for self-reflection. What qualities, characteristics, and energy do you want to radiate? Define a version of yourself that goes with your aspirations, whether it's confidence, success, or authenticity. Be specific about the traits you want to manifest in your image. Now, let's dive into the power of visualization and affirmation. Envision yourself including your desired image in clear detail. I see yourself radiating confidence, success, and authenticity. Affirmations are the spoken manifestation of your desires. Repeat positive, present tense statements that align with your desired image. Feel the emotions as if you have already achieved your goal. Manifestation isn't about just thoughts, it's about inspired action. Identify actionable steps aligned with your desired image, whether it's upgrading your wardrobe, learning new skills, or adopting healthier habits. These actions create a bridge between your aspirations and your current reality. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant transformation. To fully manifest your desired image, align your energy with your intentions. Surround yourself with positivity. Release limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset of abundance. Gratitude is a powerful energy shifter. Appreciate the present and anticipate the future with unwavering positivity. As you place your energy, you become a magnet for the image you want to manifest. Lastly, celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Acknowledge the progress you have made towards manifesting your desired image. Patience is a virtue in this journey. Trust the process, stay committed to your vision, and remember that the universe aligns with divine timing. Your image is evolving, and every moment is a step closer to your empowered and progressive self. Hope you liked all the points mentioned. Do implement and share with us your view on it. Thank you for joining me on this empowering journey. Until next time, this is Meenaakshi from Lumify, signing off. Manifest your greatness and shine on.